Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can create a table in our web page using this VS Code right here. Right, so we're going to create, we're going to click right a new file. We're going to click on new file, and right up here, we're going to type word tables. Right here, we're going to come right down and click. Now click, you're going to take me directly to my desktop right here. So I'm going to type web page .html. I want to ensure that it's save on desktop, and then we're going to click on create. Right, and notice as soon as I click on create, you notice it show me right here. I'm going to minimize right here. You notice this here it go. All right, so we're going to continue definitely on it. So what we wanted to do, definitely want to put in the basic head right here. It's the HTML and close it. So press enter. We'll put in the head right here. You press enter again. You're going to put in the title. I'll put in the title. I'm going to close it. Right, so what you wanted to do, you want to go down right to the head, press enter right there. And you want to put in the body. You're going to close it. Going to press enter, give it a little more space, just like that. So right in here, definitely, we're going to type computer as an example. Right, very important. So definitely in the body here, definitely want to do the necessary stuff. Yes. So we're going to create a table here by using a TH and a TD. Right. So first, we want to click right here. We want to put in a table right here. We're going to close it and press enter right there. Come back up. Again, we're going to press right here. Press table again. We're going to put border in it. We're going to put the words right there. And we're going to put one in the middle there. Then the quote outside right here. And then we're going to put the bracket just like that. Enter there. Alright, so if you notice, we have too many quotes right here. So we're going to move back one right here. Alright, very important right there. And for this table, one right here, you can actually move at this one. Alright, definitely no. So we're going to put in our table element now, TR, right there. Notice the close. Alright, we're going to put TH now, right there. Press enter. I'm going to put TH again. Close it. Just want to put three of them. Press enter again. TH. Close it. Right. For this one, no. I want to put black right there. And go down. Want to put red. Want to go down. Then I want to put pink. Alright, you notice we want to press enter right here. Want to put the TR. Again, and close it. Press enter. Want to put the TD now. And close it. So right here, you can put the word for black. If you want to put shoes. Right. Press enter again. We're going to put the same TD. Close it. Alright, we're going to put upper right here. We're going to come across again. You press enter again. I'm going to put TD again. We're going to close that. Right here. Perfect. When you're done, you want to come right up here, your file. I want to save it. I want to minimize this. Right, so here we go. We're going to right click on our web page right here. We're going to come right here, so open with. We're going to open to Google Chrome right here. Yes, definitely. So this is our VS Code. Let me minimize it right here. You notice this itself is our web page actually opening up. Right, so if you notice all of these elements right here. If you notice right up here, the apple, the bus, and everything right here in line, right here. Yes, very important right here, shoes, everything. So let us do that again. Right, if you notice right here, the black shoes right here, see the red apple and the pink bus. Right, you notice the shoe right in between it. Yes, it's very important. So if I do something else, all right, what if I want to do it again? All right, I'm gonna make a copy with this. So far, I wanna make a copy. I can press enter. I can right click. I can paste this right here. I can actually change this and put mic. Right. Can change this and put John. I can change this and put Sophia. Right. So that one. So this one, now I need to get this one with the TD now. Copy this one. Just the same. Now we're going to click right here. So click enter. We're going to paste this one underneath it. Right. So if you notice right here, so you're going to save it by coming right here and click. Alright. Now if you come right here, you notice actually underneath it just like that. Yes, very important right there. What if I want to change it and put it in a different format? Alright, if I want to put it in a different format, right, I'm going to move the TH, the TD and put TH, definitely. And you're going to see exactly what happened when I do that. You're going to see exactly what happened when I move the D and put H. Alright, let's go down with that one. Alright, let's click right there. Move the D, put H. Move the D, put H. Alright, come down here. Move this D and put H. Move this D, put H. Move the D and put H. Just the same. You're going to see what take place here when I do that. Alright, so all of that, I'm going to come right here. I'm going to click and save right here. Alright, so I'll minimize that now. We're going to click right here. You notice right here, everything straight, come down in a line, right? So you want to put a box around it so far. So let's go right back up really here. Then we're going to put an equal, just like that. And then we're going to save it. Save it. So I wanted to refresh it. You notice right here, it's actually in the box. Let me bring it up big. You notice right here? So everybody actually in their own row. Right, this is very important right here. So if you notice, this is how we actually have it right here. So this is how we can actually create table right here in our web page. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.